This is my presentation of a habitable planet, and the planet in perspective for the assignment is Earth. Several components are observed in what makes the planet habitable. These components include soil, which gives rise to trees and other nitrogen-fixing bacteria, all of which factor a lot of chemical processes that facilitate life. Solar protection from the sun, because UV radiation is very dangerous. Water, because water is a main component of life itself. And atmosphere, which is probably the most important of all because it keeps everything together. Atmosphere plays an important role of holding in organic molecules that support life, like water, ammonia, methane, carbon dioxide, and so on. A lot of this is possible because Earth's atmosphere is held together by its suitable temperature and mass. With the right temperature and mass, molecules, such as the one listed before, cannot escape with their escape velocity. Another key component presented would be Earth's magnetic field, which plays a variety of roles, but the main one being protection from solar winds. So basically, the Earth's magnetic field shields us from a lot of harmful radiation along with the atmosphere. This is important, and this sets Earth apart from Mars. And lastly, the most important factor is probably the most obvious of all, and that is Earth's distance from the sun. Earth is just the right distance from the sun. It's not too far. It's not too close. So just the right amount of solar radiation hits the Earth and allows for life to be made and for life to grow.